Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. I hope you all are well and safe. First of all, if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel. This channel is going to be very helpful for you. Also, when subscribing the channel, don't forget to turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update or opportunity from the channel itself. Also, be a part of our Telegram channel as well. The link for the Telegram channel is given in the description itself. Well, in this video, we are going to talk about multiple hiring opportunities. So make sure to watch the complete video. We'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria, selection process, and all the necessary stuff. So make sure to watch the complete video. Also, make sure to share the video among your friends, among your senior, junior, whoever is eligible for these wonderful opportunities. So without any delay, let's start with our first opportunity. That is from Bitwise, as you can see right now. So this is some description given regarding Bitwise. You can go through it once, right? Obviously, it's very important to be aware about the company, to have some sort of idea about the company before applying. Okay, so let's talk about the job description. So Bitwise is hiring for project trainee. Job title is project trainee and project trainee until graduation completion. Upon submission of mark sheet and performance evaluation, designation will be revised to trainee programmer or trainee tester. Job type is full-time employment. Work location they have mentioned is Pune. Relocation will be required after pandemic situation normalizes. Offered CTC is 3 LPA until graduation completion. Upon submission of mark sheet and performance evaluation, salary will be revised to 3.84 LPA. Right. Now there's a note given that candidates should be flexible to work on any technology, any type of project. So as of now, they haven't specifically mentioned any technology. You should be like they have mentioned you should be flexible to work on any technology and project assigned. Talking about eligibility criteria, so that is professional graduate in either streams like BTech, BE, Computer Science and Information Science Technology, and MCA, MCM. Only 2021 pass outs are eligible for this opportunity. Excellent communication skills, a minimum academic score of 55% in 10th and 12th, a mini score of 55% in graduation. Essential skills they are looking for is good communication skills, verbal and non-verbal, strong logical skills with ability to analyze, interpret, and draw inferences, ability to implement logic using programming language, understand of databases. Added advantages to your final year project that should have relevance to current industry scenario, design approach, technology use. Selection process is going to be an online assessment, technical interview, then HR interview. Important guidelines mentioned are after online test, shortlisted candidates must be available for a further online interview process. Candidates should be available for immediate joining. Now you have to simply register here, providing your email ID, your full name, your contact number, current location, college name. Only 2021 are allowed for this opportunity. We'll be discussing more opportunity in the video itself, that is for other batches as well. So make sure to watch the complete video and so fill out all the necessary details that they are looking for, right? And after registration, um, within few days you will be getting the test link as well. So our next opportunity is from Global Edge, as you can see right now. So this is the description given regarding Global Edge. Now let's see. So Global Edge is hiring for engineers. Ideal candidate will have good attitude, sound knowledge on analytical skills, strong C++ programming skills, basic and good knowledge on Linux internal concepts, very good communication skills, verbal and written English. CTC offered is 3.5 LPA. Mandate certification is embedded C, C++. Service agreement is for 3 years. Location mentioned is Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai. Talking about eligibility criteria, so BE BTech in 2018, 2019, and 2020 batches allowed. Engineering branches that are allowed is ECE, ISC, CSC, ITE, Telecom. Percentage cutoff is 10th, 12th, and engineering. There should be an aggregate of 60%. Talking about selection process, so there will be an online test, then technical interview, then HR discussion. Now there are some important guidelines given that online test date and time will be updated to the registered candidates. After test, shortlisted candidates must be available for a further online interview process. Candidates should be available for immediate joining. Now here you have to provide your email ID, then your full name, contact number, current location, college name, and all the required information you have to provide. Also make sure to check your information before submitting the form so that you are not doing any kind of mistake, right? So let's talk about our next opportunity. So you can see Object is hiring challenge, that is present on the HackerEarth platform. So that will be opened at 9th of July, as you can see right now. So this is the description given regarding Object Edge. Object Edge is a fast-growing US-based consulting firm that helps large Fortune 2000 businesses deliver digital experience for their clients, employees, and partners. With over 160 team members across 3 continents, we are growing at 30% per year and need to grow our great asset, our people. Talking about eligibility criteria, so years of experience, fresher, so graduation year 2021 and below. Skills needed are good aptitude skills, fundamental of programming, and working knowledge of at least one programming language like JavaScript. Challenge format will be 10 MCQ and 2 basic programming questions. Now we are recruiting again and are looking for up to 15 brilliant freshers to induct in our India team as trainee software engineer. So they are hiring for trainee software engineer and trainee quality engineers. Since the work from home is the new normal, we are speeding our message far and wide. All selected candidates will work from home. The work from home can be extended even beyond pandemic. Okay, so that is the good news for you. Now, we will provide you with best in class training and continuous feedback mechanism so you will improve yourself. Right, so this is the thing mentioned. Now they have mentioned the students should meet the evaluation criteria during their training period. They should clear the degree examination in the first attempt itself and with a minimum CGPA 6.0. Now, talking about the compensation for software engineer, that is 4 to 7 LPA, job location is remote, right? Now we are looking for people willing to learn and work in any of the following stacks, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Redux, Knockout, Node, Java, J2EE, AWS, GCP. For quality engineers, let's see. So again, the compensation is 4 to 7 LPA. Now here also they have mentioned the technology, so you can go through it once. So make sure to register for this hiring challenge. Let's talk about our next opportunity now. So our next opportunity, you can see the job role offered is graduate engineer trainee, and this opportunity is from NPCI. The location mentioned is Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai. Now, are you aspiring to work on emerging technologies and proven digital payment platform? Now, we are looking for fresher in various emerging technology at NPCI. You may apply if you are a smart young innovator with digital first mindset, result oriented, go getter, DIY, do it yourself, can deal with dynamically changing ambiguous situation. Mandatory requirements are qualifications, so BE BTech in computer science, electronics and communication, bachelor's, so 2017, like 2021 batch and 2020 batch is allowed. Eligibility criteria is 10 75%, 12 65%, and in BTech 60% is needed. For MTech also is allowed. For this 60% is needed, right? 0 to 2 years of experience should be there. Like if you are completely fresher, then also you are eligible. Job location is Hyderabad, Mumbai, Chennai. Required skills are knowledge in OS, TCP IP, routing protocols, switches, firewalls, ability to design, develop software, knowledge of data models, good understanding about machine learning, deep learning, and NLP algorithms, understanding of blockchain fundamentals, smart contracts, consensus algorithms. Right, so you can go through it once, and here you can see perks and benefits mentioned. So 5 lakhs is fixed here, and rest they have mentioned also. Right. So this is a wonderful opportunity from NPCI. Make sure to register for this. So here you can see 4,75,000 to 5 lakh. This is going to be a CTC. The next opportunity is from Zomato. So Zomato is hiring for business analyst program. So simply you have to fill this form and you can start your test. You have to provide your full name, college name, hometown, and make sure that whenever you are when you are filling the details, make sure to recheck them once before starting the test. Right. Now let's talk about our next opportunity. So next opportunity is from IG Infotech, that is hiring for 2021 batch BE BTech freshers. So they are hiring for graduate trainee role. Now CTC is from 7,50,000 to 8,50,000, as you can see. The location is Bangalore, as you can see. Okay, so what you will do? So they have mentioned that you can read it once, right? Now, they have mentioned that you should be passionate about technology, eager to learn, analytical, a problem solver. You will have skills in developing Java web application, basic understanding of Linux operating system, basic understanding of TCP/IP. Eligibility criteria mentioned is BE, BTech in electrical, electronics, mechanical, computer science, information science, any stream with CGPA 7.0 and above throughout the academics in 2020, 2021 with no backlog. So 2020 and 2021 both are allowed basically. A strong English language communication. Interview process. So there will be a coding assessment along with puzzle followed by 3 rounds of technical interviews, right? Here they have mentioned work time and work location as well, right? So you can go through it once and you must apply. So these were the wonderful opportunities for all of you. I hope you have liked the video. If you have found this video informative, make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and be a part of our Telegram channel as well. And don't forget to share this video among your friends as well so that even they can know about this wonderful opportunity. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.